You get a $20,000 raise. You feel it for about 2 paychecks. Then you're back to checking your bank balance like it owes you an explanation. Nothing dramatic changed, no new car, no new house. You didn't go crazy, but somehow your cash flow didn't move. The number in your account at the end of the month looks almost identical to what it looked like before. That's not bad luck. That's the income treadmill. The belt speeds up, but you stay in the same place. Income goes up, lifestyle goes up, cash flow stays flat. The leak isn't one big decision. It's 100 small ones that feel completely reasonable in the moment. Let me show you the mechanics of where your raise actually went. Before the raise, the numbers looked like this. Gross salary of $120,000. After taxes, benefits, and withholding, your monthly take-home lands around $7,000. Fixed costs run about $5,400. Day-to-day spending takes another $1,200. Yeah, that leaves a $400 monthly surplus. Not much, but it's something. Then the raise hits $140,000. A $20,000 jump. That sounds like a lot. Here's the first place the math gets uncomfortable. That $20,000 raise does not become $20,000 in your pocket. Raise $20,000 per year. After tax, $13,200 per year. Monthly, $1,100 per month. Your number will vary. This is the shape of the math. That's it. $1,100. Now, here's the part nobody tracks. This isn't you being irresponsible. It's you buying relief. Time, energy, convenience. You're tired. The raise feels like permission to remove a little friction from your life. The problem is that relief is subscription-shaped. It renews every single month. So let's look at where that $1,100 quietly goes. Here's the receipt. Last 90 days. Delivery fees, tips, and service charges, $312. That's $104 a month in fees alone. Not food, fees. Convenience creep takes a leap. Delivery fees, grocery delivery markups, a cleaning service twice a month, maybe a meal kit. That's around $360 per month. Each one felt like a reasonable trade for your time. Then your defaults get upgraded. You're not buying more food. You're buying the same food, just upgraded. Organic, pre-cut vegetables, specialty coffee, shopping at the store that's a little closer and a little pricier. Another $240 per month. Then the subscription swamp. Not just streaming, the full adult stack, multiple streaming platforms, a music app, cloud storage, a productivity tool or two, a fitness app, a boutique class membership, add family device plans, and upgraded internet. That's another $165 per month. Finally, one new grown-up payment. A better phone plan, upgraded insurance, a gym that actually feels like a gym. Another $250 per month. Add it up. That's $1,015 added to your new lifestyle. Call it $1,000. Same result. Against a $1,100 monthly take-home raise. New surplus. Only $100. You made $20,000 more this year, and you have an extra $100 per month to show for it. The reason this happens isn't weakness. It's wiring. Mid-career professionals aren't trying to flex. They're exhausted. A raise doesn't feel like a reward. It feels like permission to stop white-knuckling the small stuff. So the money flows toward whatever removes the most friction fastest: delivery, outsourcing, upgrades, anything that buys back a little energy. The second reason is that your reference point shifts faster than your bank account does. Once the people around you treat certain things as normal, your brain quietly recategorizes them as baseline. Everyone has the upgraded plan. Everyone takes a couple of vacations. Everyone outsources the stuff they hate. Your lifestyle doesn't jump. It defaults upward. It stops feeling like a choice and starts feeling like the new normal. This isn't keeping up with anyone. It's standards drift, and it happens without a single conversation about money. The third reason is the one that does the most damage. Most people track their account balance. They don't track their cash flow behavior. So a raise feels like it should fix things. But without a system, the money just fills whatever habits are already running. A raise doesn't change your habits. It gives your habits a bigger budget. Here's the fix. It's simple and you can do it before you go to sleep. It's called the raise firewall. The rule is this: the same day a raise hits your paycheck, you increase your automatic transfer. Savings, investing, debt payoff, your choice. The formula is the 50-50 rule. Half to future you, half to today you. Take your monthly take-home raise and move half automatically. The other 50% is yours to spend, guilt-free. Firewall amount equals monthly take-home raise multiplied by zero point 0.5. 3 steps. Open your payroll or bank app. Create an auto transfer set for payday. Label it Raise Firewall and route it to one of these: your emergency fund, until it hits your target number, then a Roth retirement account, or brokerage account, or extra principal on your highest rate debt. Pick one. Set it tonight. A raise won't fix your finances. A system will. Build the firewall once, and every future raise actually changes your life. If you found this useful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple explanations.